Good morning to all of you. Myself, Ankar Pratap Sahai from UCD Public School, Maharashganj. Yesterday, we have studied about the asexual reproduction in animals and different organisms in Clematomonas alga. Today, we will discuss about the vegetative propagation in plants. Although asexual reproduction and vegetative propagation are similar terms, asexual reproduction is used in the case of animals and organisms, whereas vegetative propagation as taken from the vegetation, that is plants. That's why this is vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is not done from the flowering plants, from the flowers, from the reproductive units by the involvement of male reproductive part stamen and female reproductive part pistil, male gamete and female gamete. But this vegetative propagation is done from the part of the plants like the roots, stems, and the leaves. Vegetative propagation is a process of propagation of new plant body from the part of the plant except flower, except the reproductive part flower. We have some list of the vegetative propagules by which the plant multiplies and makes new offsprings, and I will show you the different vegetative propagules. Firstly, what is vegetative propagule? Vegetative propagule are those structures which are involved in the propagation of new plant body, and these vegetative propagules are have been shown by the list you see here. That is the list. Rhizome in ginger, shakkar banana, ice potato, runner grass, adventitious birds brophyllum, bulbil agave, bulb onion, offset water hyacinth. This is the list of vegetative propagules you have just seen. You know that this is the grass which is said in our language dhoob. You know that this is the main root, and this main root, from this main root, this new stem is horizontally growing on the soil surface. You know that when it will grow, wherever it will lose, when the node will come into contact with the soil, there is formation of new root, and from new root is arising, and also the new shoot is arising. When it will grow, it will have the lateral stem, and when that lateral stem will come into contact with the soil having the node, and from that node another root grows. Again this will be repeated, again this stem will grow horizontally, and when that will come in contact, another root grows, another shoot grows. So this type of vegetative propagules, that is called runner, and it is seen in the case of grasses. This is ginger, and this is ginger in the breeding period. Today's we cannot see, but in the breeding period you can see this part will grow into the whitest protrusion, and that will be making the bud, that will be called bud, and from that bud, when you will break it and you will plant it, it will make another ginger. This is potato, modified stem, and this is also called tuber. And you know that from this its shape is tuber, and this is called node, and from this node white protrusion gets appear, which is called bud, and when you will cut it, the farmers used to cut here and make the different slice having the minimum one or two eyes, and that eyes are planted in the soil and covered with the soil in the breeding period, and that will grow into new plant body. You are looking here the different structures in your book also given here. You can see here, this is the offset, this is the water hyacinth plant, jalkumbhi ka पौधा है, and in this water hyacinth this lateral shoot is here, lateral shoot. This lateral shoot is called offset. This lateral shoot is called offset, and wherever it will lose in a different direction, it will make the different new plants. It was in the 12th class in the latter chapter you will stated that this offset, this water hyacinth was brought from the America due to its mauve colored flower, as the ornamental plant. But this is highly invasive. Wherever it will be in the pond ecosystem and lake ecosystem we will plant, it will be multiplying and covering all the water surface in very short period of time. And what is the loss we face, that this reduces the oxygen in the water, and that will be harming the aquatic organisms. I am showing you the brachyphyllum plant. In the figure, this is brachyphyllum plant, and at the margin of the plant, this is the lamina of the plant. What is the new birds are appearing, which is written here adventitious birds. And this adventitious birds will be making the new plantlets. Many plantlets can grow here. You can see the many plantlets are growing here, and these new plantlets will detach from the parent leaf and will grow and make the new brachyphyllum plant. Also in agave, there is agave plant, you look here, and from the base of the stem the bulb like a structure grows, which is called bulbil. And this is called from the axil of the leaf also, this bulb like a structure grow and make the new plant body. So these are the few examples of the vegetative propagules you have to study. Later we will discuss about the sexual reproduction in plants and animals. Sexual reproduction, a brief introduction of sexual reproduction is that the mode of reproduction in which the new individual formation takes place from the contribution of father and mother, means that is the biparental, in which the fusion of male and female gamete take place, zygote forms, embryos form, and embryo grow through the different time period and make the new individual's body. So that will be studied tomorrow. Today, the vegetative propagules. Thank you.